To pay for your BDO credit card, you can follow these steps. Visit BDO website. Access the official website of BDO and navigate to the online banking portal. Log into online banking. Log into your BDO online banking account. If you don't have an account, you may need to enroll and set up online banking services. Locate credit card payment section. Once logged in, find a section dedicated to credit card payments. This may be under the Payments or Credit Cards tab. Enter payment details. Input the necessary payment details, including the amount you want to pay and the source of the funds. Choose payment date. Select the payment date and confirm the details of your credit card payment. Submit payment. Submit the payment through the online banking platform. BDO may provide options for one-time payments or setting up recurring payments. Receive confirmation. After a successful transaction, you should receive a confirmation message. Additionally, you can check your credit card statement for the updated payment information.